don't happen, it don't happen, it don't happen. So it don't pause again, like I say. So I greet everyone. So this video I'm about to show you now is a video of Nasarawa House of Assembly. Like I told you that I'm here to giving you more updates. So this video you are watching now is a video of like I say, Nasarawa House of Assembly have exchange of power over leadership. You know, I don't know what is happening in this country anymore. So one of my friends have telling me, brother, if I see money to travel outside country today, if it's possible that you can travel, you know, I don't know. Is there any country that any country now you can travel so that you can't even think about, even if it's a neighbor country, Africa, you can travel. So I don't know what is happening right now. So I would like you to watch the video. After watch the video, we'll back and continue our discussion. I have a lot to gist in this video. Please continue watch this video.
Well, that's the commotion of the Nasarawa State House of Assembly, leading to the exchange of blows by the lawmakers. Trouble began when the House leader moved a motion for the suspension of 6 lawmakers who allegedly accused other lawmakers of backing Governor Tanko Almakura's decision to appoint sole administrators as chairman of local councils after the tenure of the elected ones expired. The 6 lawmakers had accused their colleague of allegedly accepting bribes from the governor before giving approval for the appointment of the sole administrators. The accused lawmakers refused to be suspended, and that resulted in a rowdy session which led.
So you have watched what is happening in Nasarawa State. So I don't know. So you see, the news I'm listening this morning have been reaching me that Obasanjo and Ibrahim Babangida have a meeting together to to dissolve what is happening in PDP. Finally, they want to end what's the crisis in PDP. They say a love is a love. They want to end it right now. So I don't know what keeping them for long. To know, the party make you be a president of this country, and they don't want a party to be united together for long. I don't know what's happening to Obasanjo keep quiet for long. So let's be watching what is going to come out for the meeting, because I know that Muike have destroyed everything in PDP. So PDP is no longer a PDP I know before. Because if a PDP I know before, PDP was a strong party. A strong party before. I don't know the reason why PDP allow APC to collect power. Since APC collect power from PDP, PDP have collapsed. So the PDP now opposition is no longer active. It's no longer PDP I know before. So I don't know what a trigger to make PDP longer active again. So one thing I know that you see this 2027 on the way coming is going to be a different election in the country, because what is going to happen in 2027 is going to shock everyone. This same 2027 is going to shock everyone. I don't know what is going to happen, but I'm telling you my mind. Like I tell you, people will start telling, are you a prophet? Are you this? Are you that? I don't know which one I be, but I'm telling you what is going to happen if Nigeria no take care. So let's be patient and be waiting what is going to happen in 2027 election, because it's around the corner. So like another one happen again is Akpabio have now rejoicing that all the party have having crisis. You know, he said that PDP you can never wake up again, and I see no the crisis is in ADC, and you know you have mentioned all the parties that are having crisis, saying that no party can stand and defeat APC in 2027. So let us be watching, see whether what Akpabio say is true, because Akpabio is only one has saying something, you know, sound, no good for ear. Remember what Akpabio say that when protests, say that allow them to be protests so that they will enjoy it. So I don't know why Akpabio is always making statements people don't like. I don't know what is Akpabio think that he present self. I don't know. You know, I don't know. So let's see whether what Akpabio say is going to come to pass or what. So uh, I don't have much into address, so to tell you what is going to happen in APC and PDP and other party 2027. So this crisis I'm seeing in Adamawa State, everybody's fighting over power. You have watched the video now. So let us see how Nigeria is going, because I'm seeing that if Nigeria don't take care, what's happening, I don't know, is going to happen. So thank you everyone. In case you never subscribe, try and subscribe on our TV.